Welcome to today's St. Daniels classes. Today we will do some MCQs on trigonometry of chapter 8, class 10. Here it is given us if cot theta is 7 upon 8, evaluate 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and B is tan square theta. First of all, we will consider the question A. A is given as 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We know the algebraic identity A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Here in numerator we are having 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. So we can take it as 1 is A and B as sine theta. So in this way it will come A square minus B square minus 1 square minus sine square theta divided by, it will come denominator as 1 square minus cos square theta. Then we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. It means 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, as well as 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. So we can write it as numerator will be cos square theta and denominator will be sine square theta. So cos square theta, cos theta by sine theta is cot theta. In that sense, cos square theta by sine square theta, it will come as cot square theta. So cot, the value of cot is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 whole square. 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64. So the value for the sub question A is 49 upon 64. Now in B, we have to find out tan square theta. We know cot square theta is 1 upon tan square theta. Otherwise, we know cot theta is 1 by tan theta. In that way, we can find it. So we have to find out tan square theta. So it will be 1 upon cot square theta, that is 1 upon 7 by 8 whole square. So it will come as 8 by 7 whole square. That is 64 upon 49. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, and the B is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So the triangle I have drawn here, ABC, they already told that angle B is at a right angle. So this is at a right angle. It means angle A as well as angle C is of acute angle. So we have the value tan A is 1 by root 3. So tan A means opposite side, this is the angle A. So opposite side is BC divided by adjacent side is AB. So we can take it as BC as 1 instead of giving the constant and all that need is also is not there actually. It will, however, it will be coming as AB as √3 and BC as 1. Now, if these two are like this, then we can find out AC. We know that AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. That is square root of √3 square plus 1 square. So we are going to get √4. Answer is 2. So this will be 2. Now let us find out the answer for the first question. Sin A we have to find out. Sin A is opposite side is 1 and hypo is 2. Then next is cos C we have to find out. Cos C is this. Cos C, the adjacent side is 1. Oh, hypo is 2. And then we have to find out cos A. Cos A. This is angle A. Cos A is √3 divided by 2. Now we have to find out sin C. Sin C √3 by 2 itself. √3 by 2. Now we have to find out the value for sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, isn't it? So what is the value of sin A? It is 1 by 2. And what is the value of cos C? It is also 1 by 2. Then plus cos A is, we know it is √3 by 2. And sin C is also √3 by 2. So this will become 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 plus √3 into √3, we are knowing it is 3 divided by 4. So this will become 4. We can take it as common. Here it will be 1 plus 3. So we will get it as 4 upon 4. That is 1. So the answer is 1. The next question is B. In B, we have to find out cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. This we have to find out. So value of cos A we are having as √3 by 2 and cos C is half. Then minus sin A value is half. Sorry. Sin A is half and sin C is √3 by 2. So the √3 by 2 as well as this will come as √3 by 4 minus √3 by 4. So this will become 0. Hope you could understand this. And if you could understand, then please subscribe the channel and also like and share the video with your friends. Thank you.